end up disabling people. Yeah,
officially say welcome.
All I know is very good. Which one? Yeah.
I understand you're from Ghana.
Yes, I'm from the Port Barrick, a small town along the Atlantic Ocean called Hancock.
Married to our sister in Zimbabwe, Matebele girl.
Yes.
Wow. So, what inspired you to start God Fund?
Is that for me or for Daniel? I won't go into detail, but for people who want to know,
Oh, okay.
Boa ladies. So in this herd we have those few Boa ladies, we have a few Kalahari red ladies, and some crosses. So we have some crosses with F1s, called F1s in here, and a few F2s. Yeah, so that's what we have here.
Right, so,
Okay. No.
It's like you are cooking chua, but you cook it
But
half.
using sour porridge.
Yeah.
Sour porridge.
did I miss anything here?
Before you do it, you mix the mealie meal, the powder with water, like into is it a dough?
Yeah, like how you make like how you would ferment for sour porridge. Yes.
And then you put
that
it
mix,
away.
Yeah, you put it away for fermenting. And
how
then
long?
yes.
So it can be 3 days, but
Until
if
it's
there is
fermented,
8,
just like our sour porridge.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then you cook it, that mixture, and you thicken it,
Yeah.
isn't it? You cook it until it's quite cooked. You thicken it, whereas we would eat it as soft porridge, isn't it?
Yeah.
But you thicken it like how you thicken sadza.
Like salsa.
Yes.
Yeah.
And then you let it cool before
Yeah,
molding.
let it cool.
You let it cool. After it's cooled, you mold and wrap in this maize. Is it maize leaves?
If it's not maize season, where do I get them from?
You can use cling film.
You can
Oh,
use
okay.
flavor.
Yes.
Okay.
Sorry guys, I missed the other part.
Right.
What are you talking
We're
about?
saying that this is Ghanaian sadza.
Called
It's fermented. It's
Kenke.
called
I've heard of that.
Yes, kenke.
Okay.
It's fermented. So I was explaining the process that you ferment, like how we would ferment mealie meal to prepare sadza.
Vacuum packet.
Yeah, vacuum pack. Yeah, no air goes in.
No air goes in. That can last you over a month.
Wow.
So,
And you just warm it up.
It just
But unfortunately here I got a bit overzealous and warmed it up too much.
Oh.
So it's got like a hard
so there we are guys, we're trying kenke.
kenke.
It's like, what do you call sadza or
Yeah.
fufu? Is it fufu?
No?
Museum.
The Zim staple.
So do you know about sadza?
Oh yes. Yes.
So you don't miss kenke?
No.
What are we eating here?
This is goat meat, stewed goat.
Or how do you call the vegetables?
Umpita.
Chomoli.
Chomoli.
Murio. Yeah, that's Komawiki in Kenya.
What do you call it?
It's Komawiki.
Koma wiki.
Komawiki.
Skoma
Wiki.
wiki.
Kill the week.
And we have
So what are we having here,
amatumbe.
Sikasa?
Amatumbe embuzi.
Amatumbu and Budzi.
Yeah, embuzi.
And,
Goat meat.
Yeah, there's goat meat.
and this got meat
Yes.
and the rice and our staple food sadza
Yes.
and kenke.
Yes.
Some soup. So let's enjoy.
Let's enjoy.
Bon appetit. Let's
Bon
begin.
appetit.
Let's begin.
Hello, I don't know why. Hi guys, I'm here with Spiwe. We are at her farm. Guys, I think you have seen the shots. I love meat, so I've come to check on goat meat. Hope you
Hope
can
you
come.
enjoyed it.
I enjoyed it. You know, it
Good.
was delicious, and I ate this other keke food. It's I'll make it one day. Mbichana, mbichana.
Bit by bit.
Wow. Wow. No, this is my dream. I saw you being interviewed. Then I said I should have goats.
Yes.
Then my son-in-law, who is doing cattle ranching,
Yes.
said, "Mama, I can give you 15 goats."
Wow.
So now
What
what
a
I need
great
is
start.
a place.
What a great start.
Now what I need is a place to do that.
Maybe
So
talk
do
about.
you want to introduce?
Sorry,
Yes.
Sorry, just-
Angelic crossfire. I'm like, I didn't even. Fucking Melezame with the.
I'm loving this, eh?
This is our business partner, Richard Kreidel,
Richard.
cropping
Yeah, cropping side.
side. Yes.
Nice to meet
Hi guys. How are you? Want my phone? Come and take it. Come and take my phone if you want it. Come. Come take the phone. It's yours now. Baby. Hey kitty kitty.
Ulembe, and this is our lucerne that we are producing. Siyalungisa lucerne. Siyalima lucerne ensimini ebulembe. It's for our livestock. My livestock silawo ngapha embuzi lenkomo. So we are focusing ukuhlanyela kuhle lucerne and for also for on sale for
Wow. Oh, that's why they then called the baby Scott Kid, because it needs love like a child.
A human. Yes.
Wow.
I think the ladies, maybe this is fag. This is valid. I think that would be a nice job. This is valid. I have to do it just to make like a head count.
All right, okay.
Yes. Oh, you can do it. Hey.
Samben, let's go. Are you enjoying it? Wow. Amban.
What's happening?
So now what we're doing is the head count. This is something that we do every evening to make sure that every goes is a
Calling them by name.
And they come, huh? These are waiting for the head count.
We're waiting for their turn to be counted.
Every day you do this, huh?
Yes, we have to do this.
Taking stock
Yes, yes.
so that we don't.
Although this is not proper taking stock,
Okay.
but it's just a general head count.
Yeah.
And then on eating days, that's when we do proper stock check. That's when we actually mark.
That's a good technique.
You do that with the kettle.
Yeah, they do that with the kettle as well. The drink is for the kettle. So I'm here to inspect the kettle.
Let's go. And let's do it, huh?
1, 2, 3. Meh. Oh yeah, it's always the case. Is that good?
Yeah.
as
Alright.
we call them.
Why are you here? Oh, this one.
So as we quarter,
Randomly, I think it's a bit of a disaster, really.
Oh, nice. Huh? So.
Baby one is
They just remain. They don't
they
move.
are out there for them. They are
Can you tell?
very.
All right. Okay. Danny, I'm noticing something. The separation of sheep from the goat. What can you tell us more? What happened?
Well, sheep, they are generally not. They are not active. They are problematic. They are very. They are docile. So they are easy to control.
Wow.
Hi guys, we're still at Bulembe Farm. The sun is set, and these are the tomatoes they are doing. Beautiful tomatoes, a healthy crop, very good looking and nice. Wow.
Might get